Hey guys, this is Taylor from the Camp Chef team and welcome to the Camp Chef mobile app how-to video. Your Camp Chef mobile app is designed to give you access to temperature readings and control over your grill from anywhere with a network connection. So first thing to get started with your grill, you need to be at the grill to turn it on. Once your grill is running, you can see here on the main grill dashboard your chamber temperature and your cook probe temperatures. So let's talk about chamber temperatures. Your pellet grill is configured with a low smoke and high smoke preset, or you can set these temperatures and smoke levels manually. Now, depending on your model, the range of temperatures available here will differ. Most of our models will vary between 160 on the low end and high or 500 degrees on the upper end. A smoke level here means level 1 being least amount of smoke, level 10 being the most amount of smoke. So let's talk about fan mode. Depending on your grill model, you may have fan mode available for you. Now, typically the fan level is not adjustable in a normal cook, but in some situations you may want to adjust that fan level. For example, if I'm using my Woodwind Pro and I want a cold smoked cheese, you can adjust that fan level to give you a little more control over temperature. When you're in fan mode, you adjust that fan level the same way you would adjusting temperature or smoke. Fan level 1 is the least amount of fan speed and fan level 5 being the most. So let's talk about alerts and notifications. With your pellet grill connected to our web platform, you will receive alerts and notifications depending on what's going on inside your grill. These notifications include everything from your pellet grill first reaching that target temperature, if it gets too hot or too cold away from that target temperature, or if there's something like a flame out that happens. These alerts were designed so that you can leave your pellet grill with a peace of mind for the whole cook. Be sure to check us out for more videos and to visit campchef.com.